a square. So square means four sides will be equal. Four sides will be equal. Okay. S is the side represented. And you know the area perimeter formulas. Rectangle. Rectangle means how it will be. Opposite sides are equal length. Opposite sides are equal length. This is length and base and height. So this is base, this is height. Terminology what is used here. Triangle, we know triangle. This is called base and this is called height. This is called height. Half into base into height is the area. Perimeter XYZ means this length is X, another side is Y, another side is Z. Anything you can take X, anything you can take Y like that. Rhombus is also square, but 90 degrees will not be followed. So rhombus is also a square only. Rhombus is also square. Equal sides. Something like this it will come. Rhombus. Okay. When you make the diagonal, at the diagonal right angles will be formed. So here 90 degrees will be formed. But in a square, we will have 90 degrees at every corner, 90 degrees at every corner. But in the case of rhombus, when you intersect the diagonals, 90 degrees right angles will be formed there. Next, parallelogram and rectangle is same. Parallelogram, rectangle is same. But 90 degrees is not followed at the corners. 90 degrees not followed at the corners. This is base, this is height. Okay, opposite sides, they are equal length. But in a rectangle, you will have 90 degrees here. But in a parallelogram, the corners will not give 90 degrees. Next, trapezoidal means it is also four lines will be present, but only one pair of lines will be parallel. One pair of lines will be parallel and other pair will be not parallel. Okay, four sides are there. Four sides are there. Only one set of, okay, one pair of parallel lines are there. Other two lines are not parallel. This is trapezium. Next, volume. Okay, all this we are having in two-dimensional. If you see square, rectangle, triangle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezoid, all these are two-dimensional. Volume means it is 3D, three-dimensional, three-dimensional. So it will come in the case of cube, cylinder, and then you have cuboid, spherical, sphere, all this will have volume. It is three-dimensional. All these are three-dimensional. So I missed out circle. Circle we know. Circle we know. We will have radius in the case of circle. We will have radius in the case of circle. And area is nothing but pi r square. Area is pi r square. Perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r. Perimeter in circle is 2 pi r. Okay. Now coming to cube. Cube, if A is the cube means you already know it. It is a box. But all sides are equal length. All sides are equal length. That is called a cube. Box. Okay. Cube means it is a box. All sides are equal length. All sides are equal length. And hence volume is A cube. This is side A. Okay. A and height A is present. So volume means A cube. Surface area means 6 faces are there. It will have 6 faces. Every face, if you take the area, A into A square. Okay, like that 6 faces are there. So 6 times A square is the surface area. Diagonal is from this corner to opposite corner. The top corner left to opposite corner bottom. Okay, that is diagonal. That is square root 3A or otherwise square root 3A square can be done. If you apply square root to A square, it will become A. So which is nothing but A into root 3. A into root 3 is the diagonal in the case of cube. Cuboid means it is also box, but sides are not equal. Sides not equal. Okay. What are the sides? We have length, breadth and height. 3 things we have: length, breadth and height. In the case of cube, all the length, breadth and height will be equal. But in the case of cuboid, it is also box, but sides are not equal. We will call them as length, breadth and height. And in this case, volume is L into B into H. Because in cube all are equal, A into A is nothing but A cube. A into A is nothing but A cube. But here we are writing L into B into H. L into B into H. And surface area, what I told, the 6 faces are there. This cuboid also will have 6 faces. Cuboid also will have 6 faces. One side you will have area L into B. other face B into H, other face L into H. Oppositely also, because it is 6 faces, 2 faces opposite is there in the box. Okay, L into B will come 2 times, B into H will come 2 times, and L into H will come 2 times. That is called surface area. And diagonal, I told you L square, B square, H square. So here this is nothing but square root of A square plus A square plus A square. We are having square root 3A square. Square root 3A square. Okay. So like that, we are having square root of L square, B square, H square. Cube and cuboid, it looks the same, box only. But faces are, all the faces are equal means cube, not equal means cuboid. Next, cylinder. Cylinder, this is the thing, volume, surface area, curved surface area. I will show the diagram also one by one. This is about the triangles. This is about the triangles. You have 3 types of triangles: right angle triangle, equilateral triangle, and isosceles triangle. Equilateral means all sides are equal length. All sides are equal length. Isosceles means 2 sides equal length. 2 sides equal length. Okay. Right angle means we know that one angle should be 90 degrees. One angle should be 90 degrees. These are the simple things to remember. Right angle means one angle 90 degrees. Equilateral means all 3 sides equal. Isosceles means 2 sides are equal in a triangle. Triangle will have three sides. Triangle will have 3 sides. Okay, that we already know it. It is very common. From class 4, 5, 6, you are familiar with this terminology. Now, right angle, how to find the area means half into base into height. This is the basic formula. You can apply this for any triangle. You can apply this for any triangle. Okay, this is a common formula. Then this is also another formula for area, second formula for area. This is first formula. This is second formula for area. Now, if it is right angle, you will have like this, and the hypotenuse square equal to sum of the squares of the sides. Sum of the squares of the sides. So, whatever required, just I will recall and we will move on. Equilateral means all the 3 sides equal. So, half into base into height, that you can apply for finding the area. Everywhere you need not by heart, just I am giving you the formulas. But when we come to the problem, one thing you should understand, sum of the angles inside the triangle, sum of the angles equal to 180 degrees, 60, 60, 60. 180 degrees, 60, 60, 60 will be there, okay, inside the triangle. Now, coming to all the formulas need not be by hearted, just we are giving if it is required. If it is required, whichever formula we will use it. We will just use it. Next, we are having isosceles triangle. 2 sides are equal length. I told you AA. Isosceles means 2 sides are equal length. So you don't by heart the thing. Area equal to half into base into height. Area equal to half into base into height. So base is nothing but B by 2, B by 2. This complete is B, and H is already given. Here also the same formula holds good. Half into base into height. Half into base into height. This formula is common for all the triangles, and here base is nothing but A, height is nothing but H. Okay, and somewhere they will be giving me the formula. This area formula you just remember. Quadrilaterals means it will have 4 sides. Any diagram with 4 sides and a closed one. Okay, any diagram with 4 sides and it is a closed one, it is called quadrilateral. Parallelogram is nothing but rectangle. Okay, but 90 degrees is not. No, not 90 degrees at the corners. Corners will not have 90 degrees. Opposite sides will be parallel and equal. Okay, opposite sides will be parallel and equal. This is the basic thing you have to remember. It looks like rectangle. Okay, but not that 90 degrees at the corner. So rectangle, squares and rhombus will be similar. Square and rhombus will be similar. Rhombus also all sides equal, but that 90 degrees is not followed at the corner. Okay, not 90 degrees at the corner. These are simple things to remember. Okay, this is same as square. But is there. That but means 90 degrees will not be there at the corners. Okay. So all these diagrams have 4 sides. These are called trapezoid means I told you A and B are parallel. 2 sides are parallel. Okay, distance between parallel sides. 2 sides will be 2 opposite. Any 2 opposite. 4 sides are there. but only one pair of sides will be parallel. One pair of opposite sides will be parallel. That is the condition in trapezoid. Circles, pi r square is the area and circumference 2 pi r. Circumference is 2 pi r. 2 times radius is nothing but diagonal, so you can also write it as pi d. 2 into or 2 times radius is nothing but diagonal d. Okay, like that also we can. Now we will move on with some problems